Hey everyone, I'm Tommy of Every Curve Counts, and thanks for joining me. I'm actually sitting in the middle of a melon patch. Go figure. Not a pumpkin patch, but a melon patch, and it's a beautiful day. But I'm out here because I'm getting ready to pollinate some of my baby melons. I haven't seen a lot of bees out here lately, and if you want to learn how you can hand pollinate melons, cucumbers, it's very simple. You just need a dry paintbrush, and to know that the female flower has the fruit on the end, which if you can see this, it's got a baby melon. See that baby melon right there? And then the male flowers do not have a baby melon. That's right there. And so all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paintbrush, you're gonna go inside 1, 2, maybe even 3 of the flowers that are male, and you want to make sure that there's pollen on the end. It's yellow pollen, and then you're just going to dab right inside. You're going to go back to that female flower and dab that pollen inside. That's it. Simple. You just pollinated that melon, and you're going to grow some beautiful melons. So this is a little melon patch, and I'm going to show you one of the melons that is growing right now. You can see this. This is beautiful. And you see that melon? Now I've got about 7 of them. That's still a baby, obviously, but they're gonna get huge, and they are delicious. So I really appreciate you tuning in. I hope you've learned something about how to hand pollinate your crops. And remember, on life's journey, on the winding road of life, nothing's a waste. Every curve counts. Thanks for joining me.